The starter hub is used on tools equipped with the spring assist starter. The starter pulley is attached to the hub by a coil spring. The rotating starter pulley winds some tension into the spring, which is then transferred to the hub. This makes for less resistance when pulling the starter rope. The hub engages with the pawls on the engine's flywheel, which rotates the engine over to start it. Most wear occurs where the hub contacts the flywheel pawls. Replacing the starter hub is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the starter assembly from the engine. Now I can remove the screw that secures the starter. It's important that I hold down on the pulley as I do this, because the starter spring is still under tension, and the entire starter could come apart. With the screw removed, I can remove the hub. Now I can install the new hub. I'll align the tab on the spring with the hole in the hub. And I'll secure it all back together with the screw. I'll finish by reinstalling the starter onto the saw. And that's how easy it is to replace the starter hub on your chainsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.